This video explains the firmware upgrade tutorial for the HD7H monitor. Before starting the upgrade, please prepare a USB drive for importing the upgrade file. The USB drive used must meet the USB 2.0 standard, have a storage capacity of 64 GB or less, and be formatted as FAT or FAT32. Connect the USB drive to your computer and visit the Portkeys official website, portkeys.com. Click Support and select Firmware Upgrade. Scroll down the page and locate HD7H. Click Download. Find the latest firmware version and start the download. If you are using the TR version of the monitor, please download the firmware package with the suffix TR. Otherwise, the upgrade cannot be completed. After downloading, open the file. Right-click the firmware package to extract it. Copy the HD7H bin file and paste it into the root directory of the USB drive. Finally, safely eject the USB drive. Connect the USB drive containing the upgrade file to the monitor's USB port. Click Menu to open the monitor's menu. Before starting the upgrade, ensure the monitor has sufficient battery power. Navigate to the Settings menu page and select Firmware. Enter Software Upgrade USB. Select Yes, and the monitor will begin the firmware upgrade. Do not operate or turn off the monitor during the upgrade process, as this may cause file loss or system failure. Wait patiently for the progress bar to complete, and the monitor will restart automatically. Finally, check whether the monitor's version number is correct to complete the upgrade. That's all for the HD7H monitor firmware upgrade tutorial.